Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something.
Love, just an empty word without you. Some people say I will never see you again. Hope that you know I'd be there for you if you need me close to chase the pain away.
The more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
And while I shed my tears, ask the sky where you're gone. Oh, why have I ever been mean to you? Just know I never wanted to hurt you, baby. And you deserve the love you've been dreaming of all your life.
It's not all about me. And even though I'm in pain, it's worth sticking around to maybe make my little corner of the world a slightly better place.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
tranquil.